Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make baked ziti with meat sauce. It's going to be a 3-step process. First I'm going to show you how to make the marinara, then I'm going to show you how to make the meat, and then I'm going to show you how to put it all together. It's simple, it's fast, and don't forget it is Basant style. So I'm going to go over some of the ingredients really quickly because there's a lot. So I'm going to just put the major ones down. We have chopped onions, black pepper, salt, oregano, basil, fresh garlic. We have beautiful ziti. Now you see ziti, we're gonna cook it for 8 minutes because you want to cook par cook, and the rest we're gonna finish it when we bake it. Now we have about 1.5 pounds of chopped meat. We have crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, ricotta, whole milk, and homemade mozzarella. Now guys, we have all the ingredients. Let's get started. So I have the water boiling for the pasta. We're gonna slide it in. We're gonna cook it for 8 minutes exactly. So it's par cooked, and we're gonna finish cooking it in the pan when we bake it. So the pasta is ready. We cooked it for exactly 8 minutes. I'm gonna drain it and I'm gonna cool it down because you have to stop it from cooking. Keep cooking. You just run cold water, cool it off. Okay, so the pasta is nice and cold. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of oil and we're gonna massage it in. So what this does is prevents the pasta from sticking to each other. And now you can let it sit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the sauce and the meat at the same time, but don't worry, I'm gonna have the recipe for marinara and the meat sauce in the description. So just watch the steps. We're gonna start with half a cup of oil for both, and we're gonna cook down the onions. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 1 chopped white onion in for the sauce, and 1 I'm gonna put it down for the meat. So the trick is we're not gonna brown them. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cook them down, and we're gonna make them translucent, and then we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients for both. Since the pot with the sauce first, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of fresh garlic. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons basil. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Now this is completely optional, red chili flakes for the sauce, but I like a little zip, so I add 1 teaspoon of it. But the entire recipe I'm gonna have in the description box. Now what you do is you cook down the spices really quick. Give it a quick saute before we add the crushed tomatoes, tomato paste, and water. Just like you can smell how awesome this sauce is gonna come out. I'm gonna start off with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and we're gonna mix it in. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the crushed tomatoes. And when you do it, just be careful because it pops up. So just fold it in and fold it in. Wow, this tomato looks really good. So what we're gonna do is see, it's a 30-ounce can. So you're gonna fill it up halfway with water and put it in the sauce. So I like my sauce nice and tight, so I don't like to add a lot of water. This is it. Wow, look at how gorgeous the sauce is. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn it on medium heat, and we're gonna cover it, and we're gonna let it cook down. So the onions are done for the meat. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add actual meat. And don't worry, again, I'll have the whole recipe for this in the description box. Now what you do is fold it in and break it down. Fold it in, break it down. So over here I put fresh garlic, garlic powder, Italian seasoning, salt, red chili flakes, and black pepper. and we're gonna mix it in. Again, I'm gonna have all the ingredients plus the quantities in the description box for every single thing, so you guys don't have to worry about a thing. I just want you to watch the process, and meat sauce is ready. All right guys, the sauce, wow. You can see oil's coming on top. It's the same principle as the regular thing that we make. As soon as the oil separates, it's ready. And you can see it's getting thick and it's looking gorgeous. This is completely done. I had it cooked down a little bit more because I like it really dry. Now, what everybody else does is they mix this with the sauce. I don't like to do it. I like to keep it separate because you can use this separately and you can use the sauce separately. So there's no need to mix it, just put it on the side. And what we're gonna do is all this excess oil, we're gonna drain it so it's completely dry. So this is it. Wow. Look at the color of my sauce and look at the consistency. It's hot. I mean, it's literally hot, but sauce tastes hot too. This is it guys. We have the sauce ready, it looks gorgeous. We have the meat ready and we have the pasta done. Now what we have to do is we have to put everything together. I'm gonna show you a few neat tricks so the pasta doesn't stick to your pan, and we're gonna bake it, Basan style. So this is what I like to call my ziti station. We have an empty bowl where I'm gonna mix the ziti in it. We have perfectly measured amount of ziti to make a half tray. I have ricotta, I have the meat sauce, I have the marinara ready, and we have the mozzarella ready. So guys, everything is ready. Now let's get it done. Add ziti in a bowl. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add half the amount of marinara. Make sure it doesn't splash on you because it's nice and hot. Ouch. What I'm gonna do is add meat sauce. I like to use half a can, so it's nice and creamy, but you can adjust it as much as you like. So now you see how it's gonna mold right in. Wow. I highly recommend you guys use a utensil. I have crazy high tolerance for heat, but I don't want you to burn your hands. But so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it down in layers. Have this down. Put the cheese down on the first layer, very little, and then we're gonna make the second layer. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a nice layer of cheese. So I'm going to sprinkle a little dried parsley on it so when it bakes in it and it has a nice color. My favorite garnish. Do is I'm going to cover it with foil, make sure the sides are nice and tight, and there's a little air pocket in the middle so the cheese don't stick. And this is going to go in the oven 425 for about 45 minutes, then we're going to check it. This is it guys. Ziti is completely baked and it looks and smells amazing. You can see it's baked perfectly on the sides, no burn marks, and the inside is perfect 165. We're gonna serve it with a little crushed pepper, Parmesan cheese, marinara sauce, and fresh Italian bread. Guys, I love baking pasta and I love making this pasta. I hope you guys had a good time with this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll get you guys next time, Italian style. I'm gonna take it for a spin. Wow. This is how it's good. Wow. This one's nice.